Hello everyone, Double Bit here on good old Double Bit's workshop. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to go through and see if we can process 15 pallets all at the same time. It's going to be kind of a CrossFit or cardio workout. It's kind of my way of figuring out how to bring a gym to my house. Even though my job is very physical, this will help out quite a bit. So we're going to do one side with tools, flip them over, and do the other side by hand. And actually, all by hand. Hopefully you enjoyed that. This was 15 pallets torn down, one half by tools, the other half by hand. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. If you enjoyed what you see, please make sure to hit that notification bell so that way you get notifications every time I make a new video. And have yourself a good and safe evening. Thank you very much.